In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Claude AI internal server error. If you're seeing an internal server error when trying to use Claude, don't worry. This is a common message that usually means the service had a temporary hiccup. While it often resolves on its own, there are a few quick things you can do in your browser to get back up and running faster. First, open your Claude account as you normally would. Head to the Claude website and sign in so you're on the main page where the error appears. Having the page visible helps you confirm immediately whether each fix works. Next, refresh the browser. A simple refresh asks the site for a new response, which can clear a momentary glitch or a stale error page. You can click the refresh icon in your browser's toolbar or use your usual keyboard shortcut. Give it a couple of seconds to reload and see if the page comes back normally. If the error is gone, you're all set. If the error persists, open your browser's menu by clicking the three dots in the top corner. From there, select History. This opens a list of sites you've visited, including your recent visits to Claude. In the History view, find the entry for the Claude site. Click the three-dot menu next to that specific entry and choose Delete from History. Removing this recent visit helps ensure that when you try again, the browser requests a fresh version of the page instead of reusing the one that showed the error. Once you've deleted the Claude entry from your history, go back and try opening Claude again. Type the address into the bar or use your bookmark and see if the error has cleared. This clean attempt often does the trick, especially if the issue was tied to a cached or stuck page. If it's still not fixed, try using a different browser. For example, if you were on Chrome, switch to Firefox, Edge, or Safari. A different browser gives you a fresh environment without the same recent history, which can bypass whatever was causing the error to reappear. That's it. Open your Claude account, refresh the page, use the three-dot menu to access history, delete the Claude site entry, and try again. If needed, switch to another browser. These quick steps usually resolve internal server errors so you can continue working without interruption. If the error continues across multiple browsers, it could be a temporary service side issue. Give it a little time and try again later.